I bet one thing, you are going to get one question from amenorrhea this year in your exam. So please don't neglect this topic. So amenorrhea, what is amenorrhea? Please tell me. कौन है amenorrhea? Who is this
No
amenorrhea?
menstrual cycle.
So basically, the amenorrhea is a absence of menses. Absence of menses for how long? For more than how long? How many cycles? For more than 3 cycles. For more than 3 cycles would be considered as amenorrhea. But is it a complete statement? No, it will become a lame statement. So absence of menses. But what are the types of amenorrhea? That is what is going to decide the duration. Amenorrhea is divided into primary amenorrhea, and the another one is called as a secondary amenorrhea. So what is secondary amenorrhea? Please tell me, anybody.
Pregnancy.
So secondary amenorrhea is a example, is a pregnancy, okay? But primary amenorrhea, a female who has never menstruated, means what? She never ever had a menstrual cycle in her life. That means what? There is a child. This is a child who did not have any periods till now, and absence of period after 12.5 years of age. This is the latest update, 12.5 years, but every place they would go with 13 years. Every place they would go with 12 to 13 as a correct statement. But after 12.5 years, if a female child did not get menstrual cycles, then what we are going to call it as primary amenorrhea. So when I'm talking about primary amenorrhea, listen to me very carefully, my dear students. What exactly is this? She has never menstruated more than 12.5 years, or one more characteristic you need to remember. That is what? A female who has never menstruated, but presence of secondary sexual characters. What is secondary sexual characters? What is secondary sexual characters?
Axillary hair, pubic hair.
Very good. Axillary hair, pubic hair. Okay. Now, a female secondary sexual character, breast tissue development, breast tissue enlargement. Is it a secondary sexual character or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, guys. Today, this is like, morning. I woke up at 9 a.m. From 10 a.m. I have started till 3. I have taken pharma class. Then for 3 to 5, I have sat for giving putting the order of the notes, etc. Then I didn't even get proper tea. I came and sat. Still, I'm able to maintain energy. Why you people are quiet? क्या हो गया? Come on, get the energy out. Okay, so get the energy out. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वीडियो ऑन करके आप डांस करने लगोगे. Okay, चलो. Secondary sexual characters such as axillary hair, pubic hair, everything is present, and at that time you need to look at the age criteria. 15 years. मतलब the female comes to you, means female comes to you with secondary sexual characters being present, and she did not menstruate for the age of 15 years, then she would be called as primary amenorrhea. Then also it would be called as a primary amenorrhea. Hope everybody is clear so far. Let's proceed further.
Yes, Bhaiya. Yes.
Okay. Now look here. Whenever we are talking about primary amenorrhea, we need to understand about the causes of the primary amenorrhea. When I want to teach you people about the causes of the primary amenorrhea, that is very simple. The causes include so many interesting aspects which are genetic in nature. So for that we need to know the embryology. So first important cause I want to teach you people, that is called as Mullerian agenesis. What is Mullerian duct? What is Mullerian duct? Tell me. What is Mullerian duct? क्या है ये चीज Mullerian duct? So basically Mullerian, yes, tell me.
Yeah, mesonephric ducts, paramesonephric ducts are Mullerian ducts.
तो Mullerian duct का काम क्या है? Tell me, you are right.
Yeah, they means from starting they come from up to down. Then they then they develop all these fallopian tube and all that means urogenital.
Aye, that is urogenital tract or female internal genitalia. Female internal genitalia. So
But
that is
yeah,
what.
but yeah,
Now listen,
the,
people are right, but the thing is that हम लोग थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाते हैं भैया. Okay. Now
but
listen
we
to
are
me very.
the renal system is developed from mesonephric ducts, right? Or yes, from mesonephric ducts.
Mesonephric duct,
Okay,
kidney
okay.
filtration system, everything. Okay. Now listen. So basically, we have one thing called as Mullerian duct, my dear students. What is that? Mullerian duct. So during the embryogenesis of a female, this Mullerian duct will form the female internal genitalia. Female internal genitalia. What are those female internal genitalia? Tell me, female internal genitalia. So the female internal
Uterus.
genitalia, of course, everything which you can't see from the eyes, मतलब normal visual examination पे क्या-क्या structures normally by naked eyes ऐसा देखने से क्या-क्या नहीं दिखता है, all of them are internal genitalia. So now you people will tell me, vagina is a internal genitalia or external genitalia?
External.
External. Only 1/3 part is internal.
अच्छा, vagina is a external genitalia. Rest 1/3 is only internal genitalia. So tell me one thing, when was the last time a doctor did a physical examination to a female and found out vaginal tissue outside? What is that external opening what we find? That is called as what? Vulva. That is called as vulva. So vulva is the external genitalia. Vagina is what? Can you see just by looking at it normal eyes? By looking at a female genitalia? No, it is not visible. So please understand that is your water. That is your vagina. Vagina. So vagina is a internal genitalia, but kya hai na? That is, see, vagina is further divided into two parts. Upper 3/4 of the vagina and lower 1/3 of the vagina. What is that? Upper 3/4 and lower 1/3. Okay, so this part you might people have confused. This lower 1/3 formed from which duct? Formed from what? In the embryological state, it is formed from urogenital sinus. Urogenital sinus. Okay, so basically urogenital sinus forms the lower 1/3 of the vagina. But what is the female external genitalia? Now what, please tell me, what is that? Guys, here nothing to be vulgar. अब कोई भैया ऐसा कैसा बात कर रहे हो? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Come on. Okay, now let's focus on the topic very seriously. What is a female external genitalia? Loud and clear, because you people might get this question anywhere and you might get confused. What is a female external genitalia?
Vulva.
Vulva is the female external genitalia. Female internal genitalia, vagina, completely a internal genitalia. So never ever get confused. Okay. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. This upper 1/3 is formed from your Mullerian duct. Okay, apart from upper 3/4 forming from the Mullerian duct, the next important aspect, what exactly you need to know, that includes your cervix. Cervix also formed from what? Cervix also formed from your this particular aspect only, Mullerian duct. Uterus also formed from Mullerian duct. Fallopian tube also formed from Mullerian duct. So all the female internal genitalia are most of them are derived from here only. Here only. Everybody clear so far? Everybody clear so far?
Yes.
Paka? Okay. Now, if we understood about this much, during the Mullerian agenesis means what? Absence of Mullerian duct. Absence of Mullerian duct. Okay. When we are speaking about absence of Mullerian duct, what will happen is that, what about ovary? Ovaries of this female. Ovaries, do they derive from Mullerian duct or not? Definitely no. If they are not derived from Mullerian duct, this female has ovaries or not?
Have.
Yes, present. If ovaries are present, now you people will tell me estrogen is present or not present. Of course, estrogen is present. So estrogen is present means secondary sexual characters. Yes, of course, secondary sexual characters are present. Now, I want you people to answer one question. What will be the gender of this person? Will this person appear, matlab by looking at genitalia, will this person be a female or male? By looking at genitalia.
Female.
Female. Why female? We will discuss it. We will discuss it. Secondary sexual characters are present. We will discuss it after exactly 5 minutes of break. Only 5 minutes of break. It's 9:04 according to the Indian time. By exactly sharp 9:09 or 9:10, we are going to start the class.